Hi everyone, today we're talking about the amazing benefits of cycling exercise and what happens to your body when you cycle every day. Cycling is a great form of exercise that provides a variety of health benefits, so let's dive in and take a closer look. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular cycling exercise strengthens your heart, improves blood flow, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Your heart is a muscle, just like any other in your body, and it needs exercise to stay strong. Cycling provides a great cardiovascular workout, helping to improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Increased endurance. Cycling improves your endurance, allowing you to exercise longer and with more intensity. Over time, your body will become better able to handle longer and more intense workouts, allowing you to push yourself to new limits and achieve your fitness goals. Stronger muscles. Cycling targets major muscle groups in your legs, building strength and endurance in your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. This can improve your overall physical fitness, making it easier to perform daily tasks and participate in other physical activities. Better balance and coordination. Cycling requires you to maintain balance and coordination, which can improve these skills over time. As you become more confident on the bike, you'll find it easier to maintain your balance and coordinate your movements, reducing the risk of injury and improving your overall well-being. Reduce stress. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that can reduce stress and improve your mood. Regular exercise has been shown to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, helping to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Weight loss. Cycling burns calories and can help you lose weight, especially if combined with a healthy diet. By incorporating cycling into your daily routine, you can achieve a healthy body weight and reduce your risk of obesity-related health problems. So there you have it, the benefits of cycling for your health. Whether you cycle to work, for leisure, or as part of your fitness routine, it's a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. But it's important to remember that cycling is a form of exercise and should be done in moderation. Always listen to your body and adjust your workout accordingly. In conclusion, cycling is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health, increase endurance, build muscle, improve balance and coordination, reduce stress, and even help you lose weight. So start pedaling today and see what cycling can do for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.